Recently, Alibaba co-founder Jack Ma pledged to donate over 1 million coronavirus testing kits to Asia and Africa. Even though the business magnate didn't have India in his list of beneficiaries, there was much talk in the country about his act of generosity. What followed was a natural question. Who among India's tycoons are doing their bit against coronavirus? The answer is not just one individual, but a bunch of leaders have taken the pledge to help fight the coronavirus pandemic. Here are a few Indian companies leading by example. The chairman of Mahindra & Mahindra, Anand Mahindra, tweeted that the group's manufacturing facilities will work on how they can make ventilators. In fact, with help from their partner Ford Motors, they have already started making protective face shields for medical service providers. Apart from pledging 100% of his salary to the fund, he also said that the Mahindra Foundation will create a fund to assist SMEs and SMBs, the hardest hit in our value chain. At Mahindra Holidays, we stand ready to offer our resorts as temporary care facilities, tweeted Anand Mahindra. Hindustan Unilever announced a 15% reduction in the prices of essential products. They have boosted the production of hand wash, sanitizers, and floor cleaners, apart from committing 100 crore rupees for COVID-19. The House of Tata made the largest commitment by a business group in India by pledging 1500 crore rupees to combat the coronavirus crisis. The funds will be used to set up treatment facilities, manufacture respiratory systems and protective healthcare, train health workers, and supply testing kits. Billionaire Anil Agarwal said his company Vedanta is pledging 100 crore rupees to support daily wage earners and contract employees at its factories. Meanwhile, India's largest bicycle maker, Hero Cycles, set up a 100 crore rupees contingency fund to tackle the virus. Paytm too has committed 5 crore rupees to accelerate the development of medical solutions for COVID-19. Smaller companies too are also rapidly joining the fight against COVID-19 as the situation intensifies across the country. For example, software company Icertis contributed 25 lakh rupees to aid COVID-19 healthcare heroes at Pune's Naidu Hospital. The Anita Dongre Foundation has donated 1.5 crore rupees as a medical fund to support the small vendors and self-employed artisans working with them. Many firms are also distributing masks, making sanitizers, and providing free meals. Kudos to all of them for leading by example.